In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate GitHub to add an email address to your account. Whether you're new to GitHub or just looking to manage your settings more efficiently, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Setting up the correct email address on your GitHub account is essential for managing notifications, collaborating on projects, and ensuring your commits are correctly linked to your profile. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to GitHub's website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in GitHub's URL, or simply clicking on a saved bookmark if you have one. Once you've reached the GitHub homepage, the next action you'll need to take is to sign in. To do this, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the sign in button. Give that a click. This will take you to the GitHub sign in page. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your GitHub dashboard. The dashboard is a crucial hub that provides you with all the necessary tools and notifications for managing your projects. Once you're on your dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner where your profile icon is visible. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select your profile. This route will lead you to your GitHub profile page where you can see all your activities and access different settings. Now that you're on your profile page, you're going to want to look for the settings option. You can find this by looking under your profile picture or near the top right menu. Click on settings. This will take you to the configurations page where you can manage various aspects of your GitHub account. Navigating through the settings can seem a bit overwhelming at first, but no worries, it's pretty straightforward. On the left hand side you'll see a list of options. Look for the one labelled emails. Once you spot it, click on emails. This section is dedicated entirely to managing the email addresses associated with your GitHub account. Once you're in the email section, you'll see an option to add email. Clicking on this button allows you to input and add a new email address to your account. This is particularly useful if you have multiple email addresses you'd like associated with your account, or if you're updating to a new email address. And there you have it, you've just learned how to navigate GitHub to add an email address to your account. It's a simple yet essential task for maintaining effective communication and collaboration on GitHub. Be sure to confirm your new email address through the verification email that GitHub sends to complete the process. Thank you for watching and happy coding.